gotta see that up close. I gotta see that. I ain't gonna lie, I gotta. Back at it again at nighttime. Getting that tent laid. New LEDs going in. Switchbacks. White to yellow. Cause I did it the hard way. I put it on the inside like an idiot. I'll update y'all once I put the new ones in. Y'all see how it look on this side. Shit, we on the last side. Installing these LEDs. Alright, I'm back. Once you take that out, basically have this little piece. Your LED. Take your LED. You're gonna grab here. Basically, you just take it, push it in. That's all it is to it. This is what the turn signal lights looking like. With the switchback LEDs. Fucking fire, bro. Digging the white a lot more than that amber. That's just not for me. Let me know what y'all think down below in the comments. W's, L's.
3 hours later.
I ain't gonna lie, this nigga shit in person is fucking tough. Damn. Damn it, this shit. This bitch sitting. Damn. This bitch hard. Like clean, motherfucker. Damn. Don't worry. I'm gonna get my bags too. Boy got them toys out. Boy got them toys out. You already know that black bitch. We got the Hellcat out. That's a Suzuki motherfucker. We got that Jeep bitch. You already know the vibes. Shaking her stupid. Yeah. Niggas tap in, bro. My God, bring that bitch. Damn. Hold on. Oh my God. Damn. Oh my.
Ooh, it's a 720S too.
Damn. Oh my God. Nah, I gotta see that up close. I ain't gonna lie. Damn, that 720 motherfucker. Damn, them bitch is fat as hell. Look at his fucking rotor, bro. Bro, do you see how big this nigga rotor is? Damn, the dope. Damn.
Everybody is outside. Yo,
that shit hard. Damn. Get the best gawk of this bitch. Oh God. Oh my soul.
The next day.
Alright, we got the front bumper off. We're gonna go ahead and tidy up some things. Let me show y'all. So we got some of the wires out. I'm not gonna be wiring up my side markers because I plan on going RGB. So until I get those, I'm just gonna keep my front side markers off. Both sides. So I'm just gonna go ahead tuck them up more nicely. And then once I tuck them up, I'm gonna adjust the brackets to hopefully help with how they're popping out on the other side. And then I'm gonna throw my old side markers on just so they won't be empty like that. My front grille comes in tomorrow. Alright, so you got to go ahead and remove the old side markers of the old bumper and throw them on. I also wanted to go ahead and show y'all. I have a lot of wiring stuff that I kind of just put around so it can buy through the time, but I think since I have everything apart, get ready for the new setup, stuff like that, and I'm really starting to clean this car up. I think I'm gonna go ahead, redo a lot of this wiring, do everything while the bumper's off, and clean this up a lot. You know, there's nothing wrong with having a clean daily, or at least trying to have a clean daily. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean all this wiring up, all this wiring I have out, and I'm gonna show y'all an update on what it looks like on cleaning up wire tuck. It was good, y'all. Started a little tuck. Went ahead and packed them wires up. Did the same to the other side. Put them wires up. Currently, right now, I took apart the wiring that I had for my old grill lights. So you can see in the box, that's the new grill lights. So I took those out. I might use them on the bottom. We'll see. I'm not certain how I'm gonna end up using these, but we'll find it out. What's good? So, yeah, next part, we about to install these little lights. That's gonna be going in my grill. You can make them DRLs, but I think I'm gonna like this. Let's just see how it looks. All right. Well, so as you can see, we got the grill lights installed. Upper and lower. Wired it up. From here, it runs up through here behind the headlight. It comes up through the side. I'm gonna take these off right here. I put this here. Wires, put them up. Let it back, go around here. So that's the install for those. All right. Well, so as you can see, we got the grill lights installed. Upper and lower. Wired it up through here behind the headlight. It comes up through the side. I'm gonna tape these off right here. The yellows together. I'm gonna tape these off together and put them up. Besides that, just go straight to the battery. I put this here. Wires, put them up. Let it back, go around here. So that's the install for those. For these, you know, this is obviously a 10 through 12 Mustang. So I use screws and just like put like a little drill bit, put the hole here. I'm gonna use the what do you call these? The push pins for here to go on these holes, and for the rest of these. What's good? Got the QT with it. I need to install all this shit, like my grill lights and all that. I just put all the new grill lights and all that in today. Just came in today, like all this shit came in today. My brackets and all that. I had a bumper on before that, but I was just rocking it with the sides kept popping out. Just get a hood and I'm good. Bro, what? Shit hot. Hey, look, man, we put it to QT. One of the followers on Instagram spotted me, pulled up. Salt and pepper type of crime, you feel me? My boy got that shit though. Oh yeah. That's the revalve, bro. That bitch clean though. What's good with y'all? This is after I installed and did the wire tuck, did all that. I'm gonna go ahead and fix these up tomorrow. Go ahead and get that squared away, but we got the bracket on. Everything looks good so far, no issues. Bumpers on. Tight. I hope you crash out too. But bumper came out good. Grill lights look good. Everything on it look good. I'm fucking with it. Lower grill come in. We outside. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if y'all fuck with the new look. Like, comment, share. This is Hood Concepts and we out. Today's video, as you can see, we're gonna go ahead and get this hot licks started. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the exhaust shop and get these little bongles welded on for the spark plugs.